Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about 2015 NET paper 1 previous questions we are discussing. In the previous class also NET paper discussed. First question, paper 1, first question. P and Q are brothers, R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S. Q is related to R. Here, first option is the brother, second one is the uncle, third one is the father, fourth one is the son. Answer for this one is the P is the father, Q is brother, uncle. R, S children of P. Answer is the answer 1. Who is the uncle of R? And this one is the second option, uncle is the correct one. Correct option is marked with the blue pin. Uncle is the correct answer. Next one is the second question. This is the first question. First question answer. Second one. In a classroom, a communicator's trust level is determined by, first option is the change. First question is completed. In a classroom, communicator's trust level is determined by, first one is the change of voice level, the use of abstract concepts, eye contact, the use of hyperbola. Correct answer is the eye contact. Explanation for this question is the eye contact. Eye contact shows confidence, honesty and encouragement. It build trust more than voice level or exaggeration. Correct answer is the eye contact. Eye contact. Second question answer. Correct option is the eye contact. Blue. Correct option is marked with the blue pen. Third question. A cluster of propositions with a structure that exhibits some inference is called, first option is an argument, second one an explanation, third one a valid argument, fourth one an interface. Explanation for third question is an argument. An argument is equals to set of statements where one supports another. It shows reasoning, premises, conclusion. Third question, cluster of propositions. The third question answer is the first one, an argument. Correct option is marked with the blue pen. Next one is the fourth question. Fourth question is a definition that has a meaning that is deliberately assigned to some symbol is called. First one is the precising, second one is the stipulative, third one is the persuasive, fourth one is the lexical. Correct explanation for fourth one is the stipulative definition is equals to giving a new or specific meaning intentionally not based on common usage. Correct answer is the stipulative. This is the explanation for stipulative. Stipulative definition is equals to giving a new or specific meaning intentionally, not based on common usage. That is the stipulative. Fourth answer is the stipulative. Marked with the blue pen. Fifth question. Fifth question. Aspect of the voice other than the speech are known as. First one is the personal language, paralanguage, delivery language, physical language. Explanation for fifth one is the paralanguage. Paralanguage includes tone, pitch, volume, passes, it's now, it's how something is said, not what is said. Paralanguage includes tone, pitch, volume, pauses. It's how something is said, not what is. Answer is paralanguage. Paralanguage. Fifth question, correct option is the paralanguage, marked with the blue pen. Sixth question, consider the argument given below. Pre-employment testing of teacher is quite fair because doctors, architects and engineers who are now employed had to face such a testing? What type of argument it is? Analogical, psychological, biological, detective. Sixth explanation one is it compares two situation. Teachers, doctors. Uses similarity to justify fairness. Analogy. Analogy. Correct answer is the analogical. It is comparing the two situations. Teachers, doctors. Uses similarity to justify fairness. That is called as analogical. Next question 7th. Correct option is the analogical, marked with the blue pen. Next question, the next term in the series 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. Dash is correct answer are given. First one 57, second one 62, third one 72, fourth one is the 50. Seventh one is look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. 2, 5 into plus 3, 5, 10 into plus 5, 10, 17 into plus 7, 17, 26 plus 9, 26, 37 plus 11. Pattern plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Next one is the plus 13. 37 plus 13 goes to 50. Correct answer is the fourth one, marked with the blue pen. 50th is the answer. The main objective of student evaluation of teachers are: first one is to gather information about student weakness, to make teachers take teaching seriously, to help teachers adopt innovative methods of teaching, to identify the areas of further improvement in teacher traits. Identify the correct answer from the codes given below. B, C and D only, A, B and C only, A only, A and B only. Eighth one is the explanation. Focuses on finding student weakness. Net evaluation, not evaluating teachers. teachers. This is the wrong one. A. B1 is the encourages teachers to take teaching seriously. This is the correct answer. C. Helps teachers adapt innovative methods. Correct option D. Identifies areas for improvement in teacher. B, C. This is the correct answer. B, C, D are correct one. Correct answer is the B, C, D only. In this one, correct option is the first option. 8th one, correct answer is the marked with the blue pen. It is the B, C and D only. 9th one. A group of 210 students appeared in some test. The mean of 1/3 of students is found to be 60. The mean of the remaining students is found to be 78. The mean of the whole group will be total students. Explanation for this one is that total students are 210. 1/3 of 210 is equal to 70. Total marks is equals to 70 into 60. 4,200. Remaining 146 140 remaining 140 total marks is equals to 140 into 78 is equals to 10920. Total marks is equals to 4,200 plus 10920 is equals to 15120. Mean is equals to 15220 plus divided by 210 is equals to 72. Correct answer is the correct answer 72. This answer is the correct one is 72 only. Marked with blue pen. Next question. Anil, after traveling 6 km towards east from his house, realized that he has traveled in a wrong direction. He turned and traveled 12 kilometers towards west. Turned right and traveled 8 kilometers to reach his office. The straight distance of the office from his house is 10th question explanation. Moves 6 kilometers east, then 12 kilometers west, six kilometers net, 6 kilometers west. Next 6 kilometers west, right turn from west north, moves 8 kilometers north. Distance from starting point 6 square plus 8 square is equals to 36 plus 64 under root of 100, 10 kilometer. Correct answer is 10 kilometers. 10th question correct answer is 10 kilometers marked with the blue pen. 11th question. Every type of communication is affected by its first one is the transmission, non-regulation, context, reception. 11th question. Explanation for this one is the context. Context means situation, environment or background. The same message can change meaning depending on context. Correct answer is the context. Context means it is the situation or environment or background. The same message can change meaning depending on context. Correct option is the context, marked with the blue pen. Next question is a party was held in which a grandmother, father, mother, 4 sons, their wife, and 1 son and 2 daughters. Each of the sons were present. The number of female present in the party is 12th one is the explanation for this one is the grandmother. Grandmother is there. Grandmother is equals to 1. Mother is equals to 1. Wives of 4 sons is equals to 4. Daughters 2 into 4. Sons is equals to 8. Total female female. Total female is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 is equals to 14. Correct answer is 14. Here correct option is the 14. Mark with the blue pen. 14th question. 13th one. Now, most often the teacher-student communication is, first one is the critical, utilitarian, confrontational, spurious. 13th question explanation. Utilitarian means practical and purpose oriented. Teacher student communication mainly focus on living goals. So utilitarian is correct. Correct answer is the utilitarian. This one correct option is the second one. 14th question. Using the central point of the classroom communication as the beginning of a dynamic pattern of ideas is referred to as, first option is the problem oriented, second one is the idea protocol, third is the mind mapping, fourth is the systemization. Explanation for this 14th one is the 14th one. The central idea is placed in the middle. Related ideas branch out from it. Helps in organizing and understanding concepts. This method is called mind mapping. A central idea is placed in the middle. Related ideas branch out from it. Helps in organizing and understanding concepts. This method is called as the mind mapping. Correct answer is the mind mapping. Correct answer is the 14th one is the marked with the blue pen, that is the mind mapping. Thank you. If you like, subscribe the channel. Thank you.